Did you know that investing in robotics can take your business to the next level? Let's explore why buying a robot is a good idea for businesses. Robots are designed to perform tasks quickly and accurately. They don't get tired, they don't need breaks, and they can work around the clock. This means they can significantly boost the efficiency and productivity of your business, allowing you to get more done in less time. Robots require an upfront investment. The long-term cost savings can be substantial. Robots can perform the work of multiple employees, leading to lower labor costs. Over time, these savings add up, leading to a significant return on investment. Imagine you're running a restaurant, employing 3 waiters at an annual cost of $87,000. Now, you have just 1 waiter and 1 robot. This strategic shift unlocks remarkable savings of $174,000 over 3 years, ensuring a prosperous future for your business. Having a robot in your business isn't just about efficiency and cost savings, it's also a powerful marketing tool. Customers are often fascinated by technology, and a robot can be a unique selling point that sets your business apart from the competition. Plus, you can use your robot in your marketing materials to showcase your commitment to innovation and customer service. So, if you're a business owner looking to boost efficiency, save money, and stand out from the crowd, investing in a robot could be the smart move for you.